15. So on this one, we have equation of line 1 is y equals 2x minus 5. The equation of line 2 is 6y plus 6kx minus 12 equals 0. L1 is perpendicular to L2. Find the value of k and you must show you're working. So let's just reorganize L2. So L2 currently is 6y plus kx minus 12 equals 0. So let's make it 6y plus kx equals 12. And then let's make it 6y equals minus kx plus 12. And let's divide everything by 6. So y equals minus k over 6x plus 2. Now, we know that the gradient of L1 equals 2, because that's the number in front of x, or it's the m number, as it were. L1 is perpendicular to L2, so it means L2's gradient equals minus a half, and that's because it's the negative reciprocal. So that means the equivalent of minus k over 6 equals minus 1 over 2, so k equals 3. Okay, now here's a sphere. 3/8 of the surface area of the sphere is 75 pi centimeters cubed. Find the diameter of the sphere. Okay, so we're finding d equals, so that d is 2r. Now the surface of the sphere is going to be, we know that 3/8 times 4 pi r squared equals 75 pi centimeters squared. So let's get rid of some stuff. We can get rid of pi. We can times this out, so we get 12/8 r squared equals 75. We can make that 3/2, because that goes down to there. And then we can times out 75 by 2 and get 150. So 3r squared equals 150. R squared equals 150 divided by 3, which is 50. So if we know that r squared equals 50, that means that r equals square root of 50, which would be root 25 root 2, which equals 5 root 2. Now, you could say at this point it could equals plus or minus root 50. It can't equals minus because it's a length, so you can't have a minus length. So it is just going to be positive 5 root 2. But we've only found r, we need to find 2r, which is 10 root 2. And that is the answer. And you can't do anything else because we've got a, what's the word? This is a non-calc paper. Okay, make x the subject. So for this, the first thing you need to do is times out. So you've got y times 5x plus 3 equals 4 2x minus 7. And then we'll expand both brackets. So it's 5xy plus 3y equals 8x minus 28. Now I need to have all of the x's on one side and everything else on the other. So I'm going to take 8x from both sides. And then I'm going to take 3y away. A lot of minuses, but we'll survive. Then I'm going to, on the left-hand side, this is the most important thing, and the thing which people do wrong, I'm going to factorise. So I'm going to take the x out, and that gives me 5y minus 8. That equals minus 3y minus 28. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 5y minus 8, and we're going to get x equals minus 3y minus 28 over 5y minus 8. And I don't think there's anything you can really do with that. That's the answer.